Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Mary Joy Pariliaga, 36 years of age, from Bohol, Philippines. I'm married with 2 kids, and I'm a high school graduate. I'm an ex-abroad in 2 countries, Kuwait and Hong Kong. In Kuwait, I'm a nanny for 2 years, ages 3 years old and 5 years old. My duties and responsibilities there are taking care of them, prepare their meals and snacks, feeding them, and bathing them. I also play with them indoors and outdoors. I also read them books and help their homework, especially in English. I also do the household chores such as cleaning, cooking, doing laundry, ironing, and marketing. In Hong Kong, I took care of an elderly couple for 5 years, especially Madam who have disabilities. I assist her all the time wherever she go and whatever she does. I also do the cleaning, cooking, doing laundry, ironing, car washing, and do marketing. I am dedicated, trustworthy, and hardworking person. I'm eager to learn new things and I work well with others. I'm a fast learner and I always do my best to meet the family's expectation. Thank you and God bless.